Hello guys, this is Farhan from Graphic NR by Farhan. And today I will be showing you the basics of video editing. So this is video editor. This is how it will look if you open it. And this illustration here shows that how you can edit videos. Here, here it is. Here's the screen's name, video projects. You can search people, places, or things here. And you can import a folder if you want. And this is your account. This is menu. Refresh. Then it will refresh the whole video projects. You can send feedback if you want. And there is premium content. Get a premium video effects with Office 365. This is settings. I have used 999.8 MB of 5 GB on OneDrive. Now you can change the mode of dark, light if you want. I'll have your system settings. Use hardware accelerated video encoding when available. Turn this off if there are issues with the way your exported video looks. I'll turn it on for now. So this is import backup or make a video for me. If you go to import backup, then you can import videos and make a video for me. It'll have all the different video and images for you to mix them together, and video editor will create a new video for you. I'm not interested. So this is new video project. You can start a blank project. Just click it and name your video. I'm gonna name it basic video editing. There you go. You can change the name if you want. You click on the pencil tool here. So this is the project screen. This is project library, or as some of you like to say it, media. This is storyboard. These are the tools. And this is undo, redo. And this is, you can duplicate your project if you want. Like that. Now you have two projects. This is the original one. This is the copy one. I don't need this one, so I'm gonna remove it. I don't need this one, so I'm gonna remove it. And this is how you want your view to be. You can add title card if you want. Go to background. You can make it any color you want. White, pink, green, or black. And you can add text like video editing. And if you can see, I created a new title card. I'm not gonna need it. And if you go to add more photos and videos to this project, then it will show this menu from this PC, from my collection, from the web. If you go with from this PC, it will have you get your own videos, which I will do in the next tutorial. And if you go to from my collection, then this will come up with the videos and photos you have done and since the last month or something. And if you go to from the web, then you can search Bing here, like dog. These are the images. Here. Now they have this 3 photos. So, as for today, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.